Ever made an element disappear but still take up space? That's opacity in action. The CSS opacity property controls how transparent or visible an element appears. It sets the transparency level for an element, determining how much of the background behind it shows through. Think of it like adjusting the transparency slider in photo editing software, but for any HTML element. Opacity accepts values from 0 to 1. A value of 0 makes the element fully transparent and invisible. A value of 1 makes it fully opaque and completely visible. Any decimal in between creates partial transparency. For example, 0.5 gives you 50% transparency, making the element semi-transparent. Here's what trips people up. Opacity affects the entire element, including all its children and content. If you set opacity on a parent div, everything inside becomes transparent too. You can't override this on child elements. They inherit the transparency of their parent. 2 important side notes. First, using opacity creates a new stacking context, which can affect how elements layer on your page. Second, if you only want to make the background transparent but keep text opaque, use RGBar or HLAR colors instead of opacity. That gives you more precise control. So remember, opacity controls transparency from 0 to 1, affects everything inside the element, and creates a new stacking context. Master this, and you'll nail the interview question. Want to nail questions like this in your next interview? Interview Mentor gives you hands-on practice with real questions. Every answer gets a grade with specific, personalized feedback. Track your progress across topics and difficulty levels.